This is video to show how YATO table saw YT-82165 works. It can be used not only in professional woodworking as a table saw and wood saw, but also in home DIY. This tool can make your work and life more easier and pleasant. Table saw retractable desktop is strong and very durable, and it has flexible operation. High efficiency. Do you want to buy one? Range of application: construction projects and contractors, exterior and interior finishing contractors, decoration industry.